bare rainwater. Jeez. Okay, so haven't filmed in a hot minute still. Today it's gonna be pretty short and quick. Working on the interior again, but pretty much finalizing it. There isn't really much to do. Probably gonna be one of the last videos I really do on the interior until I source this part, like the black cover here. Really, that's it. Everything else is for the most part complete. I mean, I can't really do much about these. There are covers that come with it, but fuck my phone. Okay, so yeah, as I was saying, yeah, those, they got covers, but obviously that side is completely ripped and there's no source of those parts. Today I'm literally just going to putting plastic clips in these two holes as well as the same side, just to keep this from like moving. I'm also going to be putting screws here, somewhere around there, and pretty much there. I've got screws for pretty much this plastic piece. I was fucking around earlier and tightened it too much to the point where this just ripped. So, and then I figured out that it's a solid piece, so I pretty much just screwed myself over. I need a new piece of that, but that's holding it in, and it's alright. So I'm just gonna, low key allow it. Alright, so yeah, I got new screws for that, and the light, working on that today, as well as, yeah, pretty much it. Not much. So first, I guess I fixed
1,000 miles off the coast, whipping the boat with my mimosa moaning. Here's a toast, for the moment it's gold. And plus I got a couple ladies I ain't known for too long.
I
it could happen. I wrote
fixed,
it on a dinner napkin. May not have known it then, but it's a vision, it's a classic. How long do it take on the set?
I fixed the gas cap thing. Hold on, let me just. So fix the fuel door thing. I'm not gonna take credit. Straight up got it from these guys, Cars on Board. They pretty much used a C-clip or retaining clip, whatever you want to call it. As you can see, it's there. Works really well, or well enough, I guess. That is actually a 7/16 size C-clip, but a 3/8. Oh, they also call it retaining clip, whatever. A ring. So you can either use, I use a 7/16, use a 3/8 or a 1/2 inch. Retaining ring, C-clip, whatever. But yeah, pretty much, I mean, it works. One side is holding on, the other side isn't, but you know, it works nevertheless. So I'm pretty happy about that. I'm just cheesed because like months ago I bought a spare, not even a brand new one, a used one, cable for both the hatch and the fuel door. And like after researching it and finding out it's like a plastic nut screw that like goes on the end of that, and then finding out that that's pretty much where the threads are supposed to be, the plastic is completely broken. Yeah, man's wasted like 40 bucks. So this is pretty much trash, but I don't know, I guess another way is to literally drill through the sheet metal inside there and drill through this, if that's even possible, and then put like a screw, I guess. I don't know, whatever. That C-clip thing worked though. I'm happy enough. Okay, so now I'm pretty much just gonna take these screws. It's a 10 by ½ inch sheet metal screws. I also have these washers, pretty much a number 10 washer, I'm pretty sure. And I'm just fitting them in here. I'm pretty much put them there, and then the two sides here. There and there, just to pretty much hold this in. And then after that, I'm gonna add the clips that go there. Son of a bitch. So they're in. They work. It's solid enough, I guess. Now I don't know if you can see it. Nope. So now I'm gonna pretty much put these clips, the same clips I used for the back seat carpet, those two holes, as well as those two holes. Shouldn't be that long, and that's what I have the hammer for. I'm just gonna pop them in. So I'm in the middle of like forcing it in, and yeah, maybe it's not the greatest idea to do that. I'm still trying to do it. The top one went in. I'm literally just putting this in so just these panels are just solid and they don't rattle and all that, and it just gives it like a cleaner look. But yeah, ooh, that's not good. So it's in now. It's way cleaner, I guess. It's a more complete look. Bare hammering, but yeah. So that's done. This is in. These screws are done. What's left? Oh yeah, that's done. So that light. So I have no idea. Well, actually, when I was toying with the latch, I actually saw like a plug that plugged in. So I assumed it would work. When I bought the car, it was actually just like that. I had no idea what the bulb is. Did so much research and couldn't find anything really. You just pop it out. There's like a wire and all that. So I really had no idea. So I pretty much just went on eBay, and a couple came up. One was like almost $100. This one's about 25 bucks. It came with pretty much the complete assembly, no wiring, but just pretty much came like this. So what I pretty much needed was the cover and the bulb. In the images it showed the bulb. I literally couldn't find it anywhere, so I just kind of like randomly, I don't know, just bought it, not knowing if it worked or not. So I got it, and this is pretty much it. The cover itself it's not cracked, it's just the cover. And this is just a little dirty. There's a little bit of like corrosion, or it's like a little rusty there, but I didn't really care about this because I had that. I needed the bulb really, and I didn't even know if that really worked until I tested it. I ordered it like a week and a half ago and it came yesterday. I can't take this out, oh my god. I unboxed it yesterday and tested it just so I knew okay, that's just kind of if I knew if it worked or not. So I didn't really know, so I pretty much just popped this in and covered that, and it works. I mean, I can test, I guess I can test it. So let me just pop this in. I didn't know exactly what the size for the bulb was, but it was like a shot in the dark. I'm gonna just plug the battery quick and just... So the battery's plugged and it does work. Literally once I plugged the battery, I kind of heard like a ticking noise. So I assumed it worked. I looked and it worked. I was literally jumping around. I was amped. I don't know why, but yeah, I got trunk lighting. It does not, I tried it, it does not work with the lighting there. If I turn it on, or it doesn't work with the courtesy lights. The courtesy lights or map lights don't work if the doors are open. It only works if the hatch is open, which makes sense, but it would have been nice if I was able to turn the map light on in there, or the dome light in there, and this would switch on. So yeah, that worked. I was actually able to find out the bulb. I'm assuming, because they look the exact same, I'm gonna try it just because that bulb looks shot, or it looks like it's gonna burn out soon. So it's a 194 bulb, and funny enough, I'm planning on changing the gauge cluster, instrument cluster. My lights are whack. They're pretty much going out. So I went to the store and I matched these, and the 194 and the 74 are the bulbs for the instrument cluster, so it kind of works out. So I have a couple more of those, and yeah, the only issue is that I was toying with this latch, because when it locked, there would be like wiggle room. So if I were to close it and it would wiggle, the light would switch on and off. But now it's solid and the light is off. Oh, okay, it's hard to see. Check this out. Take that. Hold this. Hold on. Bang. So I don't know if you can. There's a light. So before, when the latch or lock was loose, or it didn't have a proper lock, this would jiggle up and down, which would trigger the light, and it would just like flash. So I'm assuming when I'm using the car or I'm hitting bumps, this would jiggle, which would trigger that, and then that wouldn't be the best. So that's pretty much it. I'm pretty happy that it works. Pretty much that cover goes on like that, but yep, that pretty much is it for this video. Pretty much completing the trunk, other than until I get this stupid piece. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Easy.